Light off. Unboxing Epson EcoTank L3210, which is a printer, a scanner, all around. I think also a fax, but there, don't. Yeah, full colored printer. I don't print in color much, but here. Okay, so what do we have? Well, they gave me a warranty that you scan, and then it has the drivers, some instructions, some manual. Over here we have the ink for the first fill up. Over here we have the electric cable. Whoa, I didn't break anything so far. Wait, here we have the printer cable, and here this is the printer proper. Yeah, let's see, can we pull? Yes, nothing left. All right, let's check on the printer proper. Well, this is the unboxing experience, so you won't get to see it really work, but what's this hanging here? Okay, nothing broke, just fine. Let's see where that goes. So first thing, well, this is the unboxing experience. So there, it is unboxed now. This is the deposit for the ink, and yeah, I'll just start taking all these pieces of safety tape out. Yeah, that's it, more or less. You wanna see in here? You wanna see what's inside the... Yeah, let me show you. Just take all this tape out, and let's see what's here under the cover. Very good. The scanner. Also, you can do like photocopies, not so much because this is ink, but yeah, you can also use it for photocopy. There's a lot of tape, as you can see. Empty boxes. Okay. Oh, there. I mean, that's most of it. In here, that's where all the machinery goes, but that's it. Close there. The paper will come out here, and we'll feed the machine, yeah, with the paper over here. There, you extend the paper, you put the paper there, it will come over there, and that's all you need to know. Thank you.